Oh my gosh. I hate coming on here with no face. I look like, Anyways, I'm gonna attempt to do some crochets over my hair, and I have no idea how this is gonna turn out because I've never done this before. So that's why I wanted to just bring you with me and show you, because who knows? It could be great, it could be beautiful, and it might help you, or it could be a fail, and then you'll know what not to do. So either way, we're gonna learn something today together. So first things first, let me go throw on some clothes, and I'm gonna come back. I'm not gonna do my face. I'm sorry, y'all gotta look at me look like this for a little bit longer. But I'll be pretty tomorrow though, so stay tuned for the after, because I'll be cute then. All right, let me go get dressed. I'll be right back, and we can try to get started. Side note, before we get started, I just wanted to show you my little hair. Oh, y'all, I'm excited. It's almost my second year locked. Shut up! It's almost my second year locked. I locked April 19th, 2019, and it's March now. So April will be next month. Oh, this lighting, sorry. April is next month, and I'll officially be 2 years locked. So yeah, just a side cap. It got wet because it's on my sink, and I just got out of the shower. But I got this wig cap, and the goal is, in theory, I'm thinking that I can braid my locks down and hopefully sew them down. And then we're gonna put this cap over it, and we're gonna crochet this crochet hair onto this wig cap. In theory, that part. Okay, so this hair, I actually ordered, you can get this hair anywhere, but I think I ordered it from Amazon just for the fact that, you know, they'll get it here ASAP, and I needed it kind of quick. So I think I ordered this like a day or two ago, and it's already here. So that is why we use Amazon. But this is the X-pression's Cuevana bounce hair, and I've used this hair before, but it's been years and years. It was like before I locked my hair. So I'm excited to try it with my locks. All right, so I can't remember if I told y'all, but my tripod just disappeared. So yeah, I don't know where it is. It's just, I haven't seen it in like 3 weeks. So sorry, but y'all are on my countertop right now, you know, so it's not the best angle, but I wanted to show you anyway, even though I don't have my tripod right now. So, because I don't know if I'm gonna do this again. I've never done this before, and if it comes out horrible, I'll probably never do it again. But but I like to think positive, so I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be cute. I don't know. Who knows? We're gonna see together. So right now, I'm kind of cheating and flat twisting this, but I'm about to start braiding it in a second. Right now, yep. Get that out of the way. And my hair is pretty wet, I'll be honest, because I did just get out of the shower. So I feel like it's a little softer to braid, just because it is wet. So I just wanted to make that disclaimer that I'm not working on dry hair. All right, so that is my first little braid. So again, I'm gonna start with a flat twist, and then I will braid once I can catch another lock. We'll start from there and braid it down. Okay. All right. And the next one should be 2, 3. Just guessing as far as my parting space, because I can't see this side of my head, so I'm just trying to fill it out and kind of see what parts I can make that I can repeat on this side of my hair. So I'm going based off that because I know I made a braid right here in the front. I can also make one here to match, and I can make one there. So I want both sides of my head to be kind of even. So I'm trying to just go off of that, off of creating parts that I know I can recreate. So that's why I'm not using my comb, because to be honest, I locked my hair myself, so my parts are a little crazy anyway. So they're not on a perfect grid. So here goes that third row. Again, I'm gonna start out with a flat twist. Let me just grab these two pieces. Matter of fact, I'll grab this one because it's on the top. And start off like that. And then I'll go ahead and grab the next lock and start braiding. If y'all need a braid tutorial, I am not the one to help you with that. I'm just barely getting this myself, so I wish I could give you like a detailed how to braid locks tutorial, but girl and guy, if you watching me, guy, I don't know how to braid, okay? I'm struggling, but I'm getting through it. Getting through it the best I can, and once we put this wig cap on, it's gonna be all good. It's gonna be all good anyway. So if you're like me and you can't braid, it's okay. We in this together. Oh, I left one out. That's okay, I'll use it further back. All right, so that's that one. Okay, we're moving along here. Let's keep it going.
I know this isn't what you wanna hear, yeah. You know I've been down so lately, no motel, yeah. All this pain inside me put me down to dirt, yeah. Nah, I'm too young to be this hurt, yeah. I'm too young.
Alright, so this one I want to be right down the middle of my head, like where the middle part is, because if you do not do that, if you have a part like this, you know, if you have a middle part going down the back of your head, when you crochet it in, you'll have a middle part still, even though you put all this thick hair and you'll try to spread it out, but you'll still have a middle part. So we don't want to have a split down the back of our hair. So I'm actually going to braid a braid right on top of my middle part. So let's do that. As you can see, I'm not braiding my braids down to the end because they're gonna unravel anyway. So I'm just braiding to the back of my head and then go ahead and put like a rubber band or an elastic or something like that on it. Alright. This is where the braiding comes in handy. If you can braid really good, you can probably braid this down to the end and keep them, have them stay together. But I can't do that yet. I think when my hair grows a little longer, I might be able to do it. But right now my ends are so uneven that for me, it's hard for me to get them to stay together. So I'm not gonna try to force it. I just want them to be flat so that I can apply this wig. So yeah, we got this far. Let's continue. So this is what we have so far. We got our braids, and I just braided to the bottom of my hair, and we put the bands on it, and the bottom is out. So we don't want it to stay out like this. So what I'm gonna do is flip the braid back up in the row, and I'm gonna take just a little thread and just sew this braid flat. And before I finish, let me open my wig cap. So you can see, it looks like a pair of panties, but it's not. It's got the little wig part, U cap part there with a string, little string thing there, and we'll be cutting that off later. But for now, I just wanted to make sure I have my cap open. And it actually has an adjustable strap in the back, so I'm gonna hook that into one of these to make sure it's tight. So, and I've never been good at this, guys. Even like when sew-ins was like really popular a couple years ago, like everybody was doing their own sew-in, and I'm just like, bitch, how? Like, how are y'all doing this? But I'm just gonna do something just to try to keep this a little bit flatter than it is. See, thread already came out. So I'm gonna go off camera because you see this is about to be a struggle, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So I'm gonna move on to the next one, and I'll sew that one down. Gonna fold it up just like this into the parting space, and we'll sew it down like so. And
Yeah, it's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. It's the winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. I've been living this year that is already the season. 몇 다른 감정에 휩싸여 living in prison. 갈 사람은 가고 남는 사람 남는 treason. 다시 차가운 공기가 우리 몸을 감싸 breathing. I'm feeling all this Christmas. 눈이 내 위에 앉아 내가 기다리는 Christmas. 너도 나를 원할까? Are we business? Are we Christmas? 우린 조금 다를까? 마음의 방향이 맞지 않는 건 참 아프니까. I've been loving this year. I've been hating this year. Flying this year, I've been crying this year. I don't wanna be so drowned tonight. I don't wanna be so drowned tonight. It's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. It's the winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. Fuck around and getting all this on me, baby. Loving all you got, but I'm hesitating. I be trying damn so hard, but you're still my baby. Why don't we just pull around and just love it, baby? Baby, 너도 나를 원한다면 우리 맞춰가. 일방적인 사이 아닌 너도 서로 알아가. 나만 맞추는 게 아니라 너도 더 맞춰가. 서로 원하는 건 같은데 왜 우린 다툴까? I mean I'm trying to be man you want me to be. I mean I'm trying to be solving all like hey. Go on the ride, let's skate. You ain't know nothing like shit. I've been so able, let's say I'm just trying to be me. It's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. 피냐 콜라다 알코올 sipping 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 tripping 나는 tripping 피냐 콜라다 알코올 sipping 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 tripping 나는 tripping 옐로우 피나 콜라다 말고는 헤네시의 콜라타 우리 취향은 너무나 달라 머리부터 발끝까지 힙한 스타일 너는 좀 단정한 애 같아 나를 만나고서 달라져 힙한 말 그를 따라하는 게 cute like pie 동그란 볼살은 빵 같아 I don't know about a lot of things 아직도 I'm young and free All these girls don't talk to me on IG but 관심 없지 Cause you got that yellow skin 햇살에는 하얀 skin 만질래 so come and sit 내 차 안에서 하자 kiss 한색의 바리 안에 숨겨놓은 line 나의 only one 바지를 내려놔 우리 엄마가 들으면 안 되지만 네가 들으면 해서 난 라임을 따 이번 여름에 마셨던 술은 다 너를 보기 전에 니나 보드카 내년 여름에 나 피냐콜라다 내 옆에 피냐콜라다 알코올 sipping 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 tripping 나는 tripping 자기야 나를 좀 봐봐 아무리 그래도 취하면 곤란해 드링크에 피나콜라다 맘에 안 들어도 마지막 잔이야 잠시만 나가서 걷자 오늘이 아마도 여름의 마지막 밤이야 지나갈 가슴 조금은 가슴에 담고서 우리의 추억을 만들자 I'm so fucking honest 매일 감성적이야 왜 이리 너는 몰라 인스타 감성 따위 아무것도 아니지 뻔한 이야기를 하려는 게 아니라 I just wanna talk about you 울리는 게 아니라 말하고 싶어 I love you 말하고 싶어서 love you 다시 한 번 더 I love you 이 여름에 끝자락에 내게 말해 내일도 나는 아니 영원으로 I promise you 다시 한 번 더 I love you 그 웃음에 나는 fall in love with you 알코올 sipping 피부색처럼 dripping yeah, yeah. 핸드폰에 비친 yeah, 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 yeah.
So this is the second pack down and this is what it's looking like. Already you can see how big this hair is. It's freaking huge. So even though I have 4 packs, I'm hoping I don't have to use all 4 of those. I just got the 4th one just kind of in case. So yeah, you can already see 2 packs in. This is how big this hair is. And I still have to do the top basically. And a little bit in the back, but mostly just the top. I might snip a few more pieces, but that's just me being OCD. But overall, I'm done with it. And I love her.
Pull up the function, I'm